Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. How are you doing today? How was your day so far? Good morning, guys. How are you doing, guys? Share with me how was your day yesterday? Hello, hello. So yesterday I took 3 trades. I shorted if I will show this, I was trying to short Asia. I got in with 4 micros because we got crazy volatility at the open at 6 p.m. I was like, I will try with 4 micros. I took partial and the rest up at break even. Unfortunately, I was like, I'm going to make my base hit $500, but nope. Here's a trade I took. I discussed this on TradingView TV yesterday. It was my trade. So I was trying to short. It hit my TP number 1, but TP number 2 was New York midnight open. We never hit this level. So I ended up being up $200 only, and so far I'm up $200 only. So let's see. It's only trade I took, nothing else, guys. Let's see if it's going to offer another trade for me. So I don't mind. So obviously we are going to trade this together. And yesterday I shorted sorry guys, a little bit sick. My son also sick. So yesterday I longed gold and shorted silver. Why I didn't stream yesterday during AM session? Because guys, I was trying to finish New York midnight open video. It's out on YouTube but not public yet, because I'm trying to load all languages, so you can watch it in different languages. So it's on YouTube already, but I cannot make this public because it's still processing languages. So yeah, it takes so much time. Yeah, I need to take some medicine. Yeah, I have this one. So let me see how long it's going to take, because video already on YouTube about New York midnight open. I just cannot publish this yet. It's processing. Why it takes so much time? Because I know some people don't understand English, especially my English. So I'm trying to have option to watch this on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21 languages, guys. 21 languages. I'm using just NQ chart, but you can use NQH 2026 March contract. Guys, I'm going to trade. I found this cool to trade silver, especially with 1 micro if it's not huge stop loss. So yesterday I shorted silver with just 1 micro. 1 micro seems like 1 micro. I made $800. I mean, seriously, it's crazy. So if I will see setup on silver, try with 1, 2 micros, because trading 1 mini is too expensive. Silver reached final 60 level, like took just forever to reach this level. So I covered idea of daily open and New York midnight open in my new video, guys. It's already on YouTube. Just give me some time, because I would like to add languages. So maybe it's going to be done. I hope it's going to be done today, because it takes so much time. But yeah, video is on YouTube, but just not public yet. And it's going to be 20. I've said it's going to be a short video. It's 20 minutes long video, guys, about New York Midnight Open. I offered some options how to trade, what setups you can use to trade near New York Midnight Open. Also, I offered some statistic. Also, lots of examples and why actually New York. I don't use New York Midnight Open same way as ICT traders use New York Midnight Open, and ICT explains this. I don't buy below New York Midnight Open. I don't sell above New York Midnight Open. I buy above New York Midnight Open. I sell below New York Midnight Open. And you will understand why. I hope today, because I please YouTube, I need to pause this video. Please load my languages. Processing, everything processing. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to publish this now, like if language is going to be added as well. I'm just not sure. Yeah, guys, completely flat for today. Like nothing taken yet. I only took small win on gold, but it was. I shorted. Where I shorted from? From here, yeah. I shorted from here all down here. That's it. That's all I took. So far what we can see, we got strong break above New York Midnight Open. Price trying to continue going higher. It's 5-minute chart. We inside continuation setup. I don't like to trade continuation setups because in my opinion it's always a bit risky to trade continuation setups. But probably continuation setup is here. I'm just not sure how far I would like to see. Previous day high, low resistance to upside. Silver order rejected because you probably try this on Tradify or Epix or Take Profit Trader, because you can trade micro silver on Lucid. This is what I'm doing. Alpha. What else? Lucid. Trader weight Lucid? Oh my god. Okay, if you will see setup, I will try as well, because I have trader weight Lucid. Well, I will keep you updated. Because if I will see setup on top step, okay, interesting. If I will see setup on silver, I will just try on this Lucid accounts. Let's see if it's going to be rejected or not. You can trade silver with Tradify, but it's only mini contract. Micros, not yet. So I'm going to contact Brett and ask if there is any option to add or any way to add micro silver. So let's hope, because I wish Tradify had micros. It's really expensive because trading one mini contract on funded or evaluation account, like nowadays, it just costs your drawdown. I don't see level for short yet. I don't see any stop on silver yet. Let's just wait. Market's not even open yet. Right? What else? On gold. It's too bullish. I know, maybe. I don't know yet. Not going to predict something. Just let's see. If it's going to present setup, we will trade. I'm just not sure yet. Let's talk about indices a little bit. Looking at SPX, probably I would like to see some retracement down. Yeah, I would like to see the test of 50 and 62% of this entire move up that we got yesterday. We got huge, seriously huge move here at CPI, but once again, we traded all-time high. It's really hard to talk about targets higher. Probably it's going to just rounded numbers like 7,050, 7,100, 7,150, and blah blah blah, something like this. But honestly, I don't mind to see the trace one down, all the way down to 4 fair value gap here. Also inside this 4 fair value gap, we have 50% of daily wick. I know like 16.78 is too much to ask, but it's really hard for me to long because I have no idea how far we can go. Oh, Nick said they're going to add. Oh, that's brilliant news. Well, let's talk about bias on gold. Oil, yes, guys, I'm bullish. But look at this. If you watch my standard deviation projections video, you know, once price hit 2 and 2.5 standard deviation projections, especially once we broke above all-time high, no, we didn't talk about all-time low because like it's not going to happen. But once price breaks above all-time high and we reach the range between 2 and 2.5, it tends to retrace down to the range between 1 and 1.5. Yesterday, near this 1.5, we had New York midnight open. So I was aiming for New York midnight open yesterday when I was trying to short Asia. Silver reached New York midnight open, gold failed. So what I want to see, price retracing down to this range between 1 and 1.5. I'm looking for longs there. But looking at current picture, maybe I will be okay with break above previous day high. We still is going to stay, we are going to stay inside this 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range. If it's going to sweep, probably I will try to look for move lower to long later. Something like this. Overall, yes, definitely I am bullish. Ideal plan either this one, or I don't have any other plans. I will contact Brett and I will ask him. Yeah, just entering long right now, maybe not so smart for me. Like not enough retracement here yet for me to engage in longs. And only level I have is, I mean, like obviously previous day high level, which is not significant in my opinion, but probably for standard deviation, but it's almost 100 points higher. I would rather to wait for the trace one down and long. Let's see if it's going to play out. That's only what I want to short down to long later. If it's going to continue going higher, that's enough else, that's it for me. I'm not going to short gold today. Maybe PM. Silver, let's try to pull some projections, guys, some fibs, because I have no idea where we're going. There's a hit for standard deviation, most likely. Oh, not yet. Yeah, guys, we're approaching for standard deviation here. Probably that's cool. So we may look for some reaction. Same here, right? 2 and 2.5. Retracement down a little bit below 1 standard deviation, but we retrace once we hit this range. Price going to 4 standard deviation. Yeah, would like to see higher, another 1 point higher, or how to call this, like I would like to see 89.405 according to projections, because we're above all-time high, previous day all-time high. Hello guys. That's only level I have. Like maybe psychological level at 90, right? Like rounded number. Why not to take this level? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Perfect like level. Why not to take? But same as on gold, I would like to see retracement down to long. Longing right now, not too smart. I think so. But definitely looks bullish. Not going to argue about this. Just too bullish. Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing? Alan, you long 2 micro goals. Okay. Okay, good for you. Yeah, you prefer to trade continuation, but not me. I got it. You probably entered continuation stop, right? You entered continuation stop. I see. I don't trust continuation stop. Hello, Chris. How are you doing? Well, I don't know for sure because once again we're trading at all-time high on ES, while NQ cannot break even like previous monthly high, which is crazy. So basically creating equal high so far. Probably what I would like to see is retracement down to this floor for a value gap and long from there. Like ideal scenario for me. Obviously, we can continue going higher without any problem. I'm just saying I don't really like this idea yet. Yeah. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would like to see a retracement down. Too long. Maybe not that deep, just touches for a value gap and long to this first standard deviation. I know I'm asking too much. You said trash price action all markets. Today is a day when I want to agree with you for now. But we are here to wait for setup, not to chase the price, right? So we're just going to wait. Approaching previous day high, but once again, not fan of this. Jump in between markets to see what I like more. I also have open RTY chart. It's pretty much same as indices. As like ES and Q. Nothing changed. Same picture. Well, I like nothing for now, but yeah, let's hope to get set up after market open. Guys, what is your bias? I'm okay today, guys. Thank you for asking. You would like to short silver. I mean, I would like to see retracement down on both silver and gold. Too long later, but do you see setup on silver? Unfortunately, not yet. Yeah, I'm great today. Yeah. Feeling good. Doing good. Thank you for asking. Then has 81 names like ICT Pray and Beateries. Keep going higher. We completely balance daily volume imbalance, right? Yeah, obvious strong liquidity on NQ right now equal highs for previous monthly high at 118. Okay, I'm going to wait for the retracement too long. Entering long right now, it's a bit wild for me. Your final username? You promise? How's the name? What is the name of music? 1 second. Let me copy for you. Name of music, guys. Cancel. Welcome, welcome. I'm trading from Florida, guys, US. For making high and low, I use my own hands to draw this level, but I recently started using the ICT kill zones and pivots, so it highlights. Let me hide drawings to show you. It highlights London high, London low. I mean, you can do whatever you like here. It just changes settings. Really, guys, helpful indicator. It does not like have lots of unnecessary lines on my screen. Right? I don't have lots of unnecessary lines on my screen right now. So it's usually looks like this, but I removed all these colors. I removed these boxes, and I changed the name from from True Open to New York Midnight Open. Here's free indicator, guys. Extremely helpful. So if you don't want to draw any levels but would like to have like previous day high, London high, Asia low, whatever level you like to have, this indicator will help you with this. Let me see, you said 90, okay. What do you have at that level? Yeah, see, I have 90. It's like rounded number, psychological level. Probably price may go there. I'm watching. Ideally, I would like to see the retracement to long there because once again, longing right now it's a bit wild idea. But the retracement down to long here, yes, please. I will aim for 89 level. All I need is just 1 point with 1 micro. Seriously, I don't need more. Because 1 point with 1 micro, it's a lot of money. I love you, gold. Yeah, we inside continuation step as I mentioned before. So based on this 5-minute OB, we could position ourselves at this open of this candle with stop loss below this, ideally below New York Midnight Open. This trade is not going to offer you 2R, I believe. But we'll offer 1R. I'm not a huge fan of this setup, to be honest. So I saw this, but I didn't take because for me it's just like 50-50 trade. I don't like to trade continuations. I know lots of people in love with continuation, but I would try to trade reversals and continuation, seriously. One hour is new to 2 hour. I mean, true, but. Good job who entered long. It's not for me. I'm okay to just wait. Let me read the chat. Chris asking what is CCT. I have no idea. Candle. Oh, it's okay. It's like, isn't it the same like CRT and fractal? In my opinion, the same approach. You got 2 hours in London session? Wow. MMXM only, yes. You're here not for charts and charts. You're here because of me. This year, going to focus on gold and Forex JPY. Okay, pairs. Okay, got it. You like it? And it's 6. Don't remember. I used to try to trade this. Well, Okay. It was a long time ago. I don't have any other levels here. Let me delete this from here. But I'm fine to trade Forex futures as well. Yeah, let's do some top analysis. It just straight down. You know, I was like, show me please all-time lows. I would like to see this asset. All-time lows, please. Please. Here is guys option for you. You wanted to see how all-time lows looks like? It's for you guys. Wow. My dream came true. It's seriously all-time low. First time in my life I'm going to have this level on my chart. It's Japanese yen. Japanese yen futures. Just trying to have top-down analysis for everything. I'm just going to click and see. Maybe I will find setup here. Maybe not. Maybe we are going to create new all-time low. It's funny. Seriously. Oh. You know what I can see here? Potential double sweep or double pure. How MXM only calls this? I don't remember. Not MXM only, MXM trader. Maybe. Who trades Japanese yen? I need your confirmation. What do you think about this one? What do you think? OB, long, stop, TP. I don't trade Forex. I'm just trying to analyze Forex futures instruments. Yeah, sure. CHFGPY. Guys, I'm doing top-down analysis, quick top-down analysis. If you have questions, ask me. Or instruments. Ask me so we can do top-down analysis for everything. Bullish closure. Since we got bullish closure, obviously we had to take this level. It's possible monthly mid rebalance. Today can be bullish still, but tomorrow should be retracement down. I think so. That's new week opening gap. So my plan for this Forex pair, probably wait for closure today. I truly believe if it's going to close above the swing high, we should retrace down tomorrow. Let's say we got the closure. I'm looking for down move. This means ideally I would like to see this one. I need daily closure above this level. That's my plan. This is what I think about this. Ideas? DXY said ugly consolidation. Seriously hard to say. Look at this range. It's becoming tight and like tighter and tighter, right? So nothing is going on. I don't have like obvious bias on DXY yet because it's pretty much it calls triangle, right? Or how to call this? Sorry guys if I'm wrong by saying like patterns. Maybe I'm wrong. So I don't have bias for DXY. Wedge, yeah, I just don't, guys, I don't remember like name of patterns. Wedge, okay, thank you. Okay, looks good so far, guys. Let me open my TradingView account. Na. TradingView. I will trade Lucid if I will see stop on silver. I will trade TradingView if I will see stop on gold. I mean, I see stop on gold to be honest, but how big stop loss? 10 points. 10 points. I like it. No, I don't like it. But we can just reduce contract size. Let's see if it's going to displace lower. It works? Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. I don't see confirmation on silver just yet to engage in shorts. But I see setup on gold. Yeah, TradeView has SIL. If it's going to displace lower, I will try to short. I will take partial here at New York midnight. Just waiting for displacement, guys. And I will go for 2R. Would like to see some momentum lower first, so don't want to blindly enter short here. Don't really why? I don't want to blindly enter, like nothing wrong with entering short, but look at silver. Would like to get some momentum lower as well to be more confident with shorts, and cannot be confident yet because both gold and silver left room to go higher. I don't want to chase the price knowing this, like we have levels higher, but if both are going to offer shift and structure to downside, I will short down to New York midnight open to detest this level again, and I will look for the action. So not going to be in rush. It's just a plan for now to look for setup if it's going to displace. If not, then not. I'm just trying to see how big a risk is going to be. With one like risk is going to be around like 500, 600 bucks. Oh my god. Oh, seriously? We got SIP on both, no? But we don't have 5 million to be yet. Can you repeat? Forget about this. I marked, it's same. Like we don't have 5-minute OB just yet. Let me delete this for now since I'm not on this trade. I will look for potential short, not going to short right now. Once silver offers shift in structure to downside and we get 5-minute OB on gold as well. So I would like to see some displacement. No reason to chase the price, but there is reason to look for shift in structure to try this. Why? Because both gold and silver left room to go higher. Just be patient, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. If you will not find anything on silver or gold, we'll trade, yes. We have options, right? I'm not the person who trades only one asset. I trade prop first, but I trade different instruments. Most of the time. CL, guys, what do you think about CL? Because I was looking for long since December 15. So, and I was looking for like 2 or 3 points move on CL. So imagine sitting this trade for like a month. So HTP, so CL is low for me. Hey Peter, what do you think about indices today? Because we got straight move up at CPI, NQ left equal. Oh, I was like, where's my drawings? NQ left equal highs higher, but I don't mind to see some shorts down to this floor for a value gap to long later. Tell me if I'm crazy to ask for this. Yes or no? Because I'm looking for move down to long. I'm not asking too much. No? For me, I don't want to long 100% right now, but I don't mind to short gold soon. Let me open silver as well. Which one is better? Where's silver chart? I have 4 screens, but I cannot manage space on my screen. Like, it's just crazy. If I'm going to... okay, let me open another screen. Here is the silver. And I need 3-minute chart as well. How to do this? I'm just going to open 3-minute chart. On silver, I don't see a single sign to short yet. Hello, Leia, how are you doing? Long time no see. I mean, definitely indices look bullish right now, and I cannot argue about this. I'm just saying I don't really like idea to long right at the open, even if it's going to pump right at the open. So I'm not shorting right now. I'm just saying, like, I don't mind to see lower on gold and try to short. Why? Because we trading at all-time highs, and normally price tends to... We are going to use standard deviation projections to find the target. And normally price tends to retrace from 2 and 2.5 back to the range between 1 and 1.5, right? So we kind of stuck at this range, which is typical for second stage of reaccumulation redistribution of market maker model. So can I say we got break below distortion low? Nope. Where is break below distortion low? Over here. So 45.74. What can happen first? It's okay to break above previous day high to short down, but my plan, like ideal plan, definitely get me wrong, to this worse than deviation. That's my plan. That's what I would like to see. For days? Seriously? Because right now we're kind of consolidating an hourly chart. Like, long from consolidation, I'm not fan of this. Like, I don't like to trade inside consolidation. Definitely looks like market maker buy model. Not going to argue about this because it's market maker buy model. But if I want to consider it as a second stage of reaccumulation, I would like to see some retracement down to long. This is what I like. Oh, good, good, Leah, good. I will be fine to take previous day high first and look for some reaction, but I don't want to long yet. I mean, for scalps, long is just perfectly fine, in my opinion. Just trying to find the logic behind long trade. I don't see yet. No trades for me today at all. I took just one short on gold during Asia with 4 micros, 2 micros hit TP, 2 micros stop at break even. So nothing else. I'm up $200 without commission. Where do you see shorts? I don't see shorts. I'm not going to lie. Market is extremely bullish. Saying like I see shorts right now, it's going to be like lie. I'm not going to argue about this because it's bullish and that's pretty much it. Just find entering long right now does not make any sense because where are we going? Where are we going? What level I would like to aim for? I mean, I have 7051, which is a 4 standard deviation projection, but I don't have any other levels. Guys, tell me what level you have above current high on ES. I'm going to put this on my chart and tell me what this level means. So I'm just trying to find a target if I will decide to engage in longs. Tell me levels, guys. But not random level, just tell me like projections, maybe extensions. Because in my opinion, it's better to drop here, not that much, drop here to long. Anything else does not make any sense. Drop it, baby. I have 7,051. It's close to this level. Kind of not in sync. Market is open. Oh, market? Guys, market opened 13 minutes ago. I just realized this. Because nothing is going on. Where's volatility? SPX, I would like to see SPX lower. Let me see it on micro, yes, actually. We didn't really have RTH gap on SPX, but guys, I would like to see it drop in here. It's 15 points drop. Let's see. I don't want... actually, it's not market open, so... Wake up, Dasha. Let's wait for the trade. It was funny, like seriously. Time flies sometimes, guys, seriously, seriously. I didn't even realize it. Okay, we have SMT at highs. What time it happened? We have OB here. I don't like it's not in sync, but once in Q offers dominant OB, we can try to short the yes. For like 10 points at least, preferably more. Why I'm waiting for NQ? Because I would like to see they're in sync, right? Is it 3-minute chart on my careers? 1 second. Yeah, it's same. 2 minutes left. Yeah, gold approaching previous day high level. I see. It's perfectly fine. We're also approaching 4 standard deviation. So, as I said before, I want to see the tracement down too long. Never happened. We don't trade this for now. Yeah, no trades yet. 0 trades. I'm waiting right now for NQ to close below this level. At this point, it may offer order block. Why? I'm waiting for this once again because I would like to see both ES and Q are in sync. So if I want to short, I see confirmation on both assets. Otherwise, I'm not going to touch this. Actually, I don't need this. I'm just going to watch Euro futures, Japanese yen here. Once again, I'm not fan of Japanese yen on lower time frame. On high time frame or medium time frame, it's just okay. But on lower time frame, it's just garbage. So we're approaching this fourth standard deviation. I'm just going to set alert here. According to model I trade, nothing was presented on silver. Nothing was presented on gold for me yet. I mean, yeah, we got hourly sweep and 5-minute OB, but it happened right at 7:50 AM. That's it. Here's continuation setup, and we went higher. Oh, yes, keep dropping, but NQ does not want to provide order block. It's only 9:47, so saying like you're not going to trade today because you don't like price action is still too early. The test of New York midnight open. At this point, only way to short is going to be below New York midnight open once NQ closes below this level. Best time frame, there is no best time frame. Seriously, guys. Backtest and see what works better for you. You dreaming about something? Nope. Not really. Definitely NQ setup for short is going to be better, but I have psychological bad year on NQ. I cannot trade this. Funded accounts? I'm funded with 34 plus accounts. Fear of loss. My question for you, how to handle fear of loss? It's very important and great question. My question for you, do you have model or setup you trade every single day? Yes or no? Okay, 1 minute, less than 2 minutes left on this candle. Yes, I do have live account, TradeView. Also, I have Thinkorswim account, but it's for options. You have model. So this means once you put stop loss based on your model, what stop loss means for you. Once you put your stop loss using your model, what stop loss is going to mean for you? No closure yet. Why do you put stop loss at certain level? What will happen once price hit your stop loss? Develop this idea. What will happen once price hit your stop loss? I mean, you're going to lose money, but what else is going to happen? I'm okay with loss as well. Invalidation of idea. Exactly right. Your stop loss is simply invalidation. That's it. And you don't need to be scared to take this loss because basically your model is invalidated today on this level. That's why you put your stop loss there. And being scared of this, it's not really smart, right? Because you know, if price is going to hit this level, model is going to be invalidated. That's perfectly fine. I will wait for another opportunity. So this is how I stop being cared about my stop losses. You use mental stop loss, not smart. Not smart. We got the closure on 3-minute chart. Looks good. Let's see. Idea will be here. Something like this. Good morning, good morning. Would like to see SPX lower. I would like to see SPX going to 50%. Breaking below New York midnight open so far. Yesterday, SPS closed at 50% of this move up, exactly what I want to see. So far, I would like to see the test of 50% of this huge move up that we got yesterday. No, since Friday. Not yesterday, since Friday. Let's see if it's going to offer some trade. Once again, if nothing on indices, we'll switch on silver and gold. If nothing on gold and silver, we'll switch on ES. I don't really like CL price action now. Yeah, I'm just going to jump between a couple of instruments to see which setup is better. Maybe in Q franc, no. So once again, why I don't like silver for now? I don't use 1 minute chart at all in my trading. I stopped using this like 6 months ago or so. 1 second. Someone is calling me. 1 second. Okay, guys. As I said, my son is sick, so they ask us to pick him up from school. Where I stopped? Where I stopped? I guess I stopped. I don't use 1 minute chart at all in my trading, right? And I said I use 3 and 5 minute chart, and I don't see signs for shorts yet. That's what I want to say. I guess so, because I forgot. Okay, let's focus, guys. Sorry, guys, about this. I see gold, so far I do like idea here of the, I like this reaction from the USD high level. Let's see if it's going to invert fair value gap, since there's a got the closure below this level. And if it's going to be inversion, I will try to short this. So far trying to respect New York midnight open, not huge fan of this on ES. But idea will be here. I'm just trying to figure out if I will enter short where I put my stop loss. No, nothing yet. For oil, I reached my TP already. It was not my TP, but level I was looking for at 60. MXM only. The only issue with ES right now is keep sweeping below above New York. It keeps sweeping New York with net open. I cannot talk today, and like yesterday and 2 days ago. So let's see if it's going to break below New York with net open so we can try this trade. Because right now it's quite risky to enter because I'm not sure about stop loss. But if it's going to break below this New York midnight open, that's important for me to break. I'm not sure about stop loss, honestly. Don't want to like enter trades like this. Because it's horrible risk reward. I mean, sometimes I don't really care about risk reward. I'm going to steam until 11. Yeah, 11. Let's see if it's going to break below New York midnight open. I'm going to look for shorts. I just plan for now. I'm not in rush. Let me check news real quick. New home sales. Okay. Trump is going to speak at 2. Okay. Guys, do you see any trades so far? What do you expect to get? All impacts, I need high and medium. Yeah, home sales. By the way, I created economic calendar. So you can, as I already mentioned before, you can add news here. Like if you want to watch only high impact news, medium impact news, low impact news. So looking at this calendar, we have news at 10 in 58 seconds. Okay, guys, let's wait for news. Let's wait for news. Let me send you economic calendar link. Don't want to enter trade Funded Futures Network. I'm going to do some giveaways of Funded Futures Network. Guys, who trades with Funded Futures Network? So what do you think about this? So far I like this, so I decided to do some giveaways of this prop firm because did you see the like restated list country, restated list countries? Restated countries list, come on Dasha, stop it. So I decided to do giveaway as well because it works for me. Even Belarus can trade this account. It's just insane for me. It's funny. Got scammed. Why? What happened? I don't drink coffee. I just cannot talk today. And like yesterday and last week. Just cannot talk. Funded Futures Network is a prop firm. It's post CPI price action used to be good. Where is it stop? Come on. Nothing. I mean, my plan was to short ES, and once I'm in trade, guys, I will show you everything. It's just so far just possible idea. I'm flat, completely flat. Nothing taken yet. Just chilling, just waiting, but don't mind to see somebody trades one down if it's going to right now displays. Look at NQ, guys. NQ just garbage. Yeah, Daniel, I clearly can see this, but we need to get some retracement down. I'm just thinking if I want to engage, where I will put my stop loss. That's the only issue. It's my potential trade idea. Oh, gold gods or silver gods. Give me the trade. I don't need to watch this. Please. I'm not asking too much. I already disconnected Lucid. Let me back again to Lucid. Why disconnected? SIL. It's trying to trace reject right now. I don't have formal perfect perfect analysis, but I didn't like. Honestly, I had no idea where to put stop loss. How many points I could get? Oh, I could be up 11 points already. Oh, okay. Whatever. Look at this. Alright. What else? Back to gold. Stop loss on silver is huge one. Back to gold. MGC. Anyway, on silver, if I want to short, I need to enter like somewhere where we are right now. Let me open 3-minute chart on gold. I'd like to see some retracement down, definitely. At this point, not happy I did not engage, but happy idea was correct. Just happy to know if I was in this trade, it could be at least win. Keep waiting. Keep waiting, so no other option. Why I was bearish? Well, I don't want to explain right now because I'm going to cover this in my new YouTube video about New York Midnight Open. You will understand everything. I just don't want to like explain this quickly because I covered this in a new video. New video already on YouTube, but not public yet because I'm waiting for languages. So you can watch in different languages. Sorry about this. I will post today, just later today. I will give them like 2 more hours, and if nothing, I'm just going to make this public. Daniel, yes, looked, as I said before, yes, looked better for shorts than gold. I'm not fun, did not hit for a value gap, to be honest. We need some continuation lower. Let's see, I'm going to switch back to silver now. Because I'm gonna look for short silver. Stop loss is huge. Okay. Yeah, so far only English available for this video, but I'm trying to load like Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, like lots of different languages, 16 languages, or how many I said before, I don't remember. Because right now, what I can say about price action, Asian as well. If price could hit this for a wall gap, I can consider potential long. Right now, since we didn't hit this level, can we have Chinese? 1 second. I don't see Chinese on this list. It's not me. It's YouTube option. I don't have Chinese ABC. No, there is no Chinese, unfortunately. You know? It's funny because it says it's going to have Russian. I'm going to watch how I speak Russian, speaking English with Russian accent. How big stop loss? I don't. Maybe silver. Silver trying to stay below 10 AM open so far. Short down to this level with 1 micro. 1 sec. Maybe short down 1 micro on silver. Not fan of risk, but I don't have option. Let's see. If it's going to respect fair value, I will try to short. Let's see if it's going to drop to this fair value gap as well here. It's fine. Would like to see still lower. Like at least to the top of this fair value gap. Preferably to even lower, but at least. Funded next futures, they're really good. At least like for me it's great perform. I don't see any like complaints about this on my side. Thank you, TradingView. You got perfect entry. BPI, let me check. Yes. Like it's conservative level, would like to see like 50% of daily week, preferably at 69.78. Okay, just waiting for the trade. I'm not in a rush. Also, we got the closure below this level. We got inversion here, right? Which one? This one? It's far for value gap. Hi, if you had 5 express fund accounts, basic top step, right? Would you trade them? Oh, all separately. Like, why not to trade together? You have built-in copiers there. You just lost account. What did you trade? I'm kind of tired to sit on my butt without trades. I hate guys to sit for... Honestly, guys. I'm okay to wait for 2 hours for the setup and trade right after this, even if this trade is going to be for 1 minute. But if I'm going to sit for 3-4 hours and no trades, I hate this so much. Seriously. And kill left room to go lower. Let's see if it's going to trace to name open, but if it's going to fail too close, I will try to short again. New chair. This one is pretty soft. So guys, don't forget about giveaway. Don't forget to click the like button because I'm doing giveaways every single day. More likes, more giveaways while we are waiting. So enter giveaway, guys. It's your chance to win accounts. Also, guys, I'm working on a lot of cool and free ICT and prop firm stuff. So it's going to be completely free for you guys. So I hope to finish by the end of this month with all stuff I prepared for everyone for $0, $0. Why don't eat during live stream? Well, trading is stressful for me, like seriously, not going to lie. I feel stressed when I'm trying to trade, when I trade, when I sit in front of my charts. And when I feel when I'm stressed, I cannot eat. It's me. Good advice and good trading, NQ. Thank you so much. I appreciate your advices. So we tested previous monthly high. Silver trying to respect my level, which is cool. If it's going to displace from this fair value gap, I will short. 1 micro. On Lucid account. So guys, what do you think about short on... This is my trade idea, probably. I like this. I'm gonna connect 150k flex evals as well for this trade. I kind of like silver more. May try now. Trying to displace exactly what I want to see. VSTP. Maybe I will take this one with 1 micro because risk is going to be around like $500, $600. To make 900. Gold also looks good, to be honest. I'm gonna try on silver. This trade. Gold also looks good, to be honest. Oh, gold looks way better. Gold trade same. Would like to see 10 points lower on gold. 1 micro. Don't really like rejection from this low here. Let's see how this week is going to reject, continue rejecting. I might actually cut this trade. No rejection, keep going. I would like to see if we go into New York midnight open on gold. No trail. Not perfect execution, but I entered where I wanted to enter. New York midnight open on gold, yes, please. Would like to see New York midnight open on gold. I'm up $500. Like, of course, normal person. It's my base hit. $500. Yeah, probably it's better just trail stop loss because at least to lock some profit. I said I will enter a displacement from fair value gap. Basically, I entered displacement. Maybe not perfect entry, but I entered where I said I'm going to enter. I will lock $280 at least. $300. I'm up 600 right now. I want to close here. It's base hit already. Guys, I will close here because I made $500 on this trade. I don't want to hold longer. It's base hit. If I was in with 2 micros, I would hold the trade. I would take partial here. But I would like to see lower. I'm just going to lock my profit. $500 on 5 evals lucid and $500 on straight to funded lucid. I would like to see still lower. Once again, if I was in with 2 micros, I would hold longer. I would just take partial here to lock this $500. I would like to see, maybe I will enter long as well, short as well on gold. Yeah, it was quick W, maybe not perfect, like 1 hour, around like 1 hour or so. But yeah, better than nothing. Yeah, W, guys. W, but yeah, wants to see lower. I may actually try again later. My entry maybe wasn't perfect, as I said before. But yeah, setup was there. So traded 10 accounts total, up $560 without commission or $556 with commission. So let's see. I would like to see guys gold lower, nothing changed. I locked some profit here, which is nice for me and be done for the day, but I would like to see we going lower, guys. If you entered with more than 1 micro, like if you're better than me at this point, I would hold lower. I would like to see this level taken. Imagine I had 2 micros. Imagine I'm still with 1 micro here. It just was huge risk for me. We're going lower, we're going lower. Who's much used to enter with 2 micros? I don't know. 5K, like total, yes, if you calculate like this. I just don't calculate like this. Drop it, baby. Guys, imagine I'm still on this trade. I just had like runner. Market makers, just 10 nano contracts. I'm not asking too much, just 10 nano contracts. We can take partial trade in silver. Would like to see gold going there. Oh, look at. But honestly, I would make exactly the same amount of money if I was shorted. Yes, so no complaints. My TP was 450, right? It was my TP 450. Yeah, but I would like to see 450 was TP, original TP that I took. I got around like 1.1 hour, 1.2 hour. Guys, let's do giveaway. Don't forget to click the like so we can do more giveaways every single day. Yeah, guys, I know like lots of prop firms don't allow to trade silver, but I said I'm going to enter the trade where I see better setup. It was silver, unfortunately. I mean, maybe it had to be ES, because ES idea also played out. Okay, back to analysis. Let's see if we are going to get another trade. Gold short, yeah. shortest reaction from this fair value, but I would like to see the test of New York midnight open. Same on silver. I would like to see lower. Feels like move not completed yet. Here short was pretty textbook. But once again, I would probably enter with 5 micros. So total I could make $500 at least. So right now no complaints, simply because I would make exactly the same amount of money. Like my base hit could be hit as well. Right now no complaints. You entered giveaway? Yeah, guys, more giveaways. Yeah, I entered exactly where I said I'm going to enter at reaction. I entered exactly here where I highlighted. I put my stop loss here, and I was aiming for 450 here. It didn't hit this level, but I closed once my base hit was hit. I just know like it's better to protect profit at this point, especially on silver. But yeah, it was just the action from fair value gap. And basically, I just use idea of retracement down of high time frame projection. So we inside 2 and 2.5 on gold. I would like to see retracement down. Yeah, seconds before I did my best to show immediately. I entered right here at this displacement candle, right here. It was maybe like 1 or 2 seconds before like closure. Yeah. It was like right here. I guess I showed immediately, right? How do you click this link to enter giveaway, fill the form, and if you knew and never filled this form before, you need to confirm your email. So my website will send you email. You need to confirm just once. Just once. Oh, YouTube. Yeah, maybe YouTube has delay. Yeah, I didn't think about this. Let's see if gold is going to retrace to New York midnight open. I'm just thinking what I would like to see to enter a short here as well. I'm not fan of trading fair value gaps, but here it was only option. And you could use order block here. But as I said, if inversion and order block, you can short. But I don't know why I picked silver. It was same setup, I guess. But I could make... Just let me see. If I enter it here, I would still hold this trade. I could be up 12 points. I would still hold this trade probably. Like, if I decided to enter exactly the same trade as I entered on silver, but on gold, it could be something like this, but I could be still in this trade, right? Let's see if silver is going to drop low. I'm asking for this drop. Preferably even to this fair value gap. Did you notice, like, all the time when I enter silver, it reverses seriously a couple of ticks away from TP. Yeah, YouTube has delay. I think so. I'm just not sure how long. 2-3 seconds. Let's talk about giveaways, guys. Once again, here's a link for giveaway. You can enter just once, because if you're going to enter 3-5 times, it's going to still count like as one entry. So enter just once. So today I'm going to do Apex account. So I'm going to send you code right after Steam if you want. And you can pick any size you like, any connection you like. Tradeaway, TradeMig, 50k, 25k, 150k. I call this like 150k Tradeaway, but you can pick any size you like. This code is going to work for everything. No, I don't Steam on Discord. I Steam here and on TradingView TV, because on TradingView TV I Steam PM session. Yeah, it's extra entry. Yes, if you're going to post on Twitter, it's going to be extra entry. Of course, I want to be in this trade simply because it looks much better than on silver. But yeah, cannot complain. My son is too loud. Why kids, when kids are sick, they think like, I mean, when kids are sick, they should be sick, but they screaming, they watching TV, they enjoy their life. I love it. My husband said, "You want to back to school?" Both ES and Q were so close to daily 50% of daily week, but did not hit. SPX trying to just react OT this entire move up. I mean, my plan exactly play out, like exactly what I want to see play out, but I feel a little bit like sad I didn't engage. But at the same time, I feel good because idea play out so well. Yeah, exactly. You're watching TV, playing games, you're not sick. Back to school. Back to school, my dear. Back to school. Yeah, disappointed a little bit. But I hope someone entered because like if not this, then nothing to trade. Seriously, if the situation never happened, I didn't see a single reason to long. I don't want to long, honestly. I would like to see. Okay, let's talk about potential long because I'm fine to trade more. Like, why not? The only issue I don't like. One second. Oh, I got it. I forgot to do this. 1 second. Sync. Now it makes sense. MGC. Yeah, better. So what I'm thinking about potential long here. If it's going to break above 10 I'm open, let's try to long. I have 40 more minutes here. I will look for long only, keyword only, above this level. That's it. I'm not going to long here. I'm fine to miss a trade. Silver trying to, not silver, come on, Dasha. Gold trying to respect fair value gap. Silver left room to go lower. Let's see if gold is going to drop right now to New York midnight open and silver is going to basically trace back to intraday. Let's see if it's going to drop here. Guys, by the way, forgot to remind you, if you entered giveaway, you must stay on stream, because if I will call your name and you disappeared, you're not in the chat, I'm going to pick another winner. Just saying. So here's link for giveaway. While we're waiting for setup, guys, let me show you something. Wait, okay. If you go on my website, funded.now, go to Learn section and click ICT videos here, ICT mentorship videos. You'll find this ICT playlist, right? You need to scroll down. So what you can do here, you can track your progress on learning. So you see this, guys: foundation, core, advanced, extra. You can skip this if you want, but I wouldn't skip. And MMXM part, a market maker model part. So after watching each part, you can take notes. For example, foundation, real money, real results. It's about expectations. So in these 3 videos, you will not see anything about ICT. It's going to be about like expectations from trading. After every single video, you can leave notes. I already mentioned this before, and so on. You can save them if you fail to. Okay, maybe I need to log in first. I'm going to save. You can leave notes here. You can save them. I need to log in first. Next part 2, core part. Core part divided on months. Month 1, month 2, month 3, and so on. After every single video, you can leave notes. You need to save, you need to log in. You can, by the way, add time here. I just need to log in once again. Once you're done with core part, you need to switch to advanced concept. And you can leave notes after every single video. So guys, let me point you this link. It's completely free. I'm not asking for anything. This video is going to be on YouTube. Yes. I'm going to add homework part. Yeah, I'm going to add homework section later, because it's really hard to do this. Which TradingView version you're using? How to check your profile? Oh, I have expensive one. Ultimate I have. I have this one. But it needs that expensive. It just... Activation fee on Apex. Yeah, they ran 80% off and $65 activation fee. Micro ES. There's no homework anymore. My friend. Nope, it's not the case. Back to my TradingView accounts. Okay. Hope TradingView is going to add option to trade silver soon, micro silver soon. You cannot write. Okay, I'm gonna check this. 1 second. I will fix this. I'm checking for you now. Something. Yeah. I'm gonna check this. And I will fix this right after Steam. That's strange. Yeah, yeah, it's issue. Will be fixed by tonight. About YAM. I don't trade YAM. But YM already broke above 10 AM open. So since YM broke above 10 AM open, definitely looks more bullish than ES and NQ. But I would like to see some retracement lower still on ES. I'm just thinking where I would like to enter position if I'm going to engage. Just to aim for final TP. Because I can get like 15 points. Still. Let me switch on 1 minute chart. Oh, not here. Escape. 1 minute chart. Doesn't look bad. For entry long, you mean, yeah, if it's, let me switch once again real quick. You probably want to say 3 minute chart. Peter, I would say if it's going to close above this level here, we might consider potential long because it's close to 10 AM open. But yeah, you can long above 10 AM open, I guess so. Can you please send me a screenshot if you cannot log in? Just send me a screenshot, I will check for you. Interesting long idea. I didn't see long idea yet. I kind of don't mind to see 50% of daily wick. Yeah, definitely we almost hit 50%. Yeah, just send me a screenshot. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. So what do you think about shorts? Stop loss is going to be around 8 points. But I would like to see probably inversion. If it's going to invert this fair value gap on 3 minute chart, I will try to short to aim for 50% of daily wick. That's my plan. Yeah, silver. Once I close the trade, it reversed. It's like third time in a row. I got somewhere here. Would like to see 50% of daily wick. That's why I'm looking for inversion to try to short. So basically below this level. Or I will look for longs above 10 AM open. That's it. Because I could consider potential long from this level because it's level of support for me. From here, like, nice because we hit for a value gap, but at the same time, like, not enough, you know? Just to long here. I'm okay to wait for the long above 10 AM open if it's not going to drop here. Gold still inside remain fair value gap. Pretty big fair value gap, by the way. YM still above 10 AM open, both ES and NQ below this level. Watching RTY as well. RTY also above New York midnight open, 10 AM open, also bullish sign on RTY. RTY micros M2K, right? Can I trade M2K on Tradify? Ideal question. How I check this so fast? I have four monitors, so I have 4 screens. I have CL, Silver, RTY, YM, Euro futures, Gold, and Q and ES on my screen. Another screen, I have just 3 and 5 minute charts open on ES and Q Gold. So I will not miss setup. That's why I'm jumping between between charts so quick, because I see setup on Silver while I'm watching ES chart, because I have another screen for this. Give it 11, so you need to stay until 11 here. RTY looks good because we broke above New York midnight open and 10 AM open. Where's my RTY? Let's open RTY here. It was my analysis from a long time ago. It's what I want to see from RTY. Ah, we never got the closure. Okay, got it. We have sweep on hourly, right? Let's switch on 30-minute chart. Same 5-minute chart. Here's 5-minute order block. Also, we're trading above 10 AM open and New York midnight open. Also cool. So idea will be is, my idea is, if RTY will decide to retrace but will stay above 50%, I will long. I will try to long RTY. I will enter micros. Probably this one. I will not long ES and NQ until we break above 10 AM open. I'm going to probably short micro ES to aim for 50% of daily week. Just for like quick scalp, maybe for 10 points. Well, Tradify select eval. So I'm done with Lucid evaluation straight to funded. I'm going to connect. I connected a Tradify select evaluation. I'm looking for the short. So I cannot risk a lot because it's 50K. I'm going to risk around like $280 to $70. We'll put my stop loss a bit above 50%. It's 69.99.25. Right. So just one account, guys. My select plan. It's evaluation. Just to try. Don't copy this. I just would like to try. Just one single account. As you can see, not copy this. Just for fun, just to try. It's like maybe short trade on this account. So guys, sometimes I have evals to try BS price action. So here, I don't want to long until we break above 10 AM open, but I would like to try this eval to short. Ideally, would like to short a 3-minute inversion for a value gap. So we're still sitting below New York midnight open and 10 AM open. I want to see we taking out daily, how to call it, 50% of daily week. So maybe not high probability, but I hate to, just watch. If I see setup, I would like to just try. So guys, it's evaluation, so it's not that important for me. If you can, just don't copy this. $240 risk. It's 50K select eval. Yeah, select eval. Always on top. As you can see, guys, base hit on all funded. So what I want to do, I want to stop trading my fund accounts because base hit. What I want to do, I'm going to switch. So guys, if you see long setup, I mean, I'm not going to argue about this, totally possible. But I will long probably same eval above 10 AM open, since I base hit already my accounts. Sorry guys. Yeah guys, long, I'm fine with longs, but I just don't want to be a buyer here yet. I won't like, I'm fine. I will long above 10 AM open. That's my plan. Definitely we got remnant OB here. I just feel like, maybe wrong, but I feel like not completed move yet. Like 50% at least on NQ. Yes, please. Maybe. I don't know, maybe. Variant rate at 92.50. Also, I will look for long above 10 AM open. Not sure about exact stop loss, but I would like to aim for a bigger move higher. Just something like this. Not sure yet about exact stop loss, but I will wait for the break above 10 AM open to try long. Something like this, yeah. This account right now has one loss. I took loss on TradingView stream, one win, so right now basically at break even, and one nothing yet, so it is going to be loss $240. This means I'm going to be down to $40 on this evaluation or win. I don't know yet which one is going to be. Looking, yeah, if gold is going to invert 5-minute fair value gap, I would say you're fine with longs on gold. I'm fine with this at this point. Yeah, or I will try this one on same evaluation, guys. Not going to risk this on my funded accounts, but to try, yes, please. Yeah, on gold, what I'm watching, if it's going to invert 5-minute fair value gap, I might try. Still not enough for me, you know. It doesn't look so bad, but what I would like to see a bit deeper retracement down, like for our fair value gap. Too long this, I don't know, honestly. SPX actually looks bullish. Looking at SPX, I don't really need to see lower. But on ES, I wouldn't mind to see 50%. Wouldn't mind to see 50% and long. Yes, MMXM only. I know we have this model here. I just wanted to see 50%. It's fine for me. It's fine for me. I just wanted to try. Yeah, took a loss on this evaluation. It's my third trade, 2 losses, 1 win. So down to 240 on this eval. 240, yes. Okay, let's see. I will trade same evaluation if it's going to break above 10 AM open. Let's pause this. Let's try to pause this account together. So did not hit my level here. It's fine. Going to switch on 5-minute chart here. What else we have? Yeah, waiting for a break above 10 AM open. No, I don't have 110% win rate. No. Actually, on this eval, since I took 1 win, 2 losses, I have not perfect win rate, right? I don't need order flow for confirmation. Seriously, I don't need this. Let's see if it's going to break 10 AM open. I will try it on this evaluation as well. Just chilling, waiting. So NQ broke above New York midnight open. I still have like 15-20 more minutes, so let's see. Why you need my audit if you can just watch my live streams? Or I post every single trade on Twitter. So still no break above 10 AM open. Okay, guys, I will announce winners soon, but I would like to do something first. Once again, guys, it's a new day, new free tools on my website. So I added new tool on my website, funded.now. So it's funded. So what you're going to do here? So you're going to track your spending on your evaluation fund accounts. Also, you will be able to add your payouts there to see. Basically, you're going to compare your total expenses with total payouts. How much you spent, how much you earned, you green or red. So it's going to be completely free for you guys. You need to create account and you can start adding your transactions, your spendings, your payouts. So at this point, you will be able to see if you net profitable or not. So guys, it's completely free for you guys. I'm not sure if like there is free tools like this, but I'm working hard for on improving space, and it's free, guys. Once again, so this website is for funded traders. So once again, if you're trying to track your spendings, how much you spent on evals, how much you earned, so I highly recommend to use this website. I sent link in the chat. I'm going to post this again. Create account and start adding your transactions, payouts, spendings. It's everything free, guys. I'm not asking for anything. It's just free. It works now. Yeah, I fix this. Yeah. So guys, I hope you're going to like it. Yeah, I did my best for you guys. Also working on new stuff. So trying to improve this website every single day. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. And I will pick winner soon. Winner soon. Giveaway, yeah, soon, guys, soon, in 5 minutes. Here's the website once again. Once again. Still waiting for the break above 10 AM open. Let me read this as Marcus and read. Okay. So if I will still be live or after Steam, if it's going to break above 10 AM open, I will try same trade on this evaluation account. Not same trade, just on this evaluation account, I will continue trading this. I don't use 1 minute chart, but I will try to long above 10 AM open. So as long as it's below 10 AM open, I don't want to long. Maybe it's not that smart. I just not going to be first buyer at this point. I'm going to wait for second stage of accumulation. The rest of the day, guys, I'm not going to trade my fund accounts anymore because I took win there. Just let's see if it's going to break above the open finally. Flex, you need to try and let me know. It should. I think so. Let's measure, move here. 50% of this entire trap lines up with 10 AM open. My funded, yeah, I don't trade with my funded futures. So I have no idea what kind of codes they have. No idea. So guys, I will announce winners in 1 minute. 1 minute. It's active. Let me refresh the page. Sign in. Okay, guys. Let's pick the winners. Let's pick the winners for Apex account. You can pick any account you like. Any size you like. First winner. Options Trader K. Are you in the chat? Oh, woohoo, you were quick enough. Another winner. You were quick. Sky A350. Sky A350. Are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? No? No? Okay. It's fine. Sky A. Okay, let's give him or her 30 more seconds. No? Okay. Okay. Picking another one. I am Mart Brent Co. Did I say this right? I will pick another winner because second one never appeared. So I am. Hey, I see you. Perfect. And let's pick a last one. Oh, you're very welcome. JJRID. Sorry, guys. You here or not? JJ. Yeah, here. Okay, guys, we have 3 winners. I'm doing giveaways every single day, guys. Every single day. Okay. Gold trying to respect fair value gap still. While silver keep going higher. I'm still waiting for the break above 10M open to long this. Or inversion fair value gap. Not this one, but this one. Why it's so slow? Where's momentum? Where's volume? Start moving, please. IDN gold, I would say it's still valid. This one is still valid, in my opinion. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. He finally took this level. Now we are going to enter either order block on 15-minute chart to aim for this level here. It's Japanese yen. We drop exactly where I wanted. Euro futures dropping so good. And RTY is here. Okay. Well, I am kind of stuck at 10M open. So actually it broke above 10M open, but it traced back and stuck there. Okay. Yeah, gold looks solid. I don't really like we don't have volume right now in indices, but it's fine. At least you have plan, right? Eleven. Okay. I have a scheduled call today. Don't remember what time is it. If you would take NQ from New York midnight open now for long or wait, I'm going to long above 10 AM open. I'm okay to just wait. Yeah, I like NQ broke above New York midnight open. YM, a bit tricky here. Look at YM. Kind of like, what's the point of this retracement down? Just keep closing above and below this level. Any trades? I took one win on silver on my funded accounts, and I took one loss on evaluation trying to short ES here down to this level. Yeah, I'm going to send email to winners. 2 trades so far today. Nothing else. Watching for another one. I'm going to sit here for the next 10 minutes. Discount for account 50k TradingView 30% right now. 30%. Just slow. So slow. What to do? What you're talking about? You talking with me? Trying to bounce to 10 AM open. That's cool. That's cool. That's good. So my plan for lunch is to take a break first. Second, I'm going to see if ES is going to break above 10 AM open. I might try to position myself above this level. And I will look for the long, probably to take the test of previous day high level. So, yeah. Don't want to long below 10 AM open, which is perfectly fine. Just going to wait for the break above this level. For gold, probably not going to touch gold, as well as I'm not going to touch silver. Silver retraced back to 10 AM open, broke above this level. It's trying to stay way above New York midnight open so far. $350 is all you need, seriously. So guys, I will stream PM session on TradingView TV. Once again, I will still watch this setup. Yeah, for potential trade here, which I like. Wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes, guys. Above 10 AM open is basically 4-hour open and hourly open. That's pretty much it. So far, as you can see, it looks like manipulation down before distribution higher. That's what I'm watching. It's something, yeah, maybe. Yeah, guys, see you soon. Thank you for watching. I will see you at 1 PM on TradingView TV. And if you're not going to join me at 1 PM, I will stream tomorrow at 9 AM, as always. Bye, guys.